Bradley again, and I'm back here at Marco Polo for the Swiss Sunday brunch. So check this out, because for this week you're gonna enjoy the best Swiss dishes here at Marco Polo. So come on.
Starting from today until next Friday, in Cafe Marco, we'll be featuring an array of Swiss delicacies, delights, and delicious items.
Swissness from A to Z now is officially open, so let's check out what they're offering. Look at that cheese collection, guys.
The food is absolutely fantastic. It's really, the favorite will be like the raclette. Fantastic. The cheese was awesome.
Greetings from Marco Polo Plaza, Cebu. In celebration of Swiss National Day, we invite you to Cafe Marco's Swiss culinary journey. Enjoy the best of Swiss cuisine, from raclettes, cheese fondue, and Swiss chocolates. Lunch is at $880 per person, and for dinner is at $1,414 per person. For reservations, call 253-1111 or email us at fb@marcopolocebu.com. See you!